friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today we are going to do an unboxing for the new Tula XII Create, Organize, and Plan Kit. All right, let's take a look at our new Create, Organize, and Plan Kit. Believe in the beauty around you. This one is absolutely stunning. Sorry about the crinkle. If you like flowers, you are going to love, love, love this kit. Now, I also want to pull all of this out so I can show it to you in its entirety. Hopefully the lighting will be good. It is a very rainy, dreary day here, so I'm doing the best I can with lighting, but believe in the beauty around you. I love our new card look on this one because you can cut this out and have a nice little journal card, or you could put that right on a card with one of the papers as the background. It'll be really, really, really nice. So this is our June 2024 kit. It comes with 3 wood buttons, and these flowers are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. These would be really nice too. I'm going to point this out because the petals on these are really a nice size. You could color these in with markers and make beautiful, beautiful buttons out of those. Just wanted to point that out. All right, we also have 3 die cuts. So we have our, let's see if I can make that a little bit better. There we go. So these are a really light pastel, almost like a watercolor feel to them. They are just really, really dainty and absolutely beautiful. So those are our die cuts. Of course, our coaster. Check out this coaster, friends. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now with this one, we have 2 journal cards because our Create project this month is a cover, like how to make a paper cover to slide over your insert, or you can use it to make cards. So there's a couple of extra little things in this kit. So we have 2 journal cards this month. This first one says, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Love that. And then the second one says, everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. How about that? How about that for a fun fact, right? Of course, our beautiful, beautiful full-size sticker sheet. Again, beautiful watercolor looking details here. Love this color palette. It's so, so pretty. And then we've got, like I said, we've got some extra papers in here. So with this one, you are going to get a 8.5 by 11 piece of white cardstock, as well as your double-sided papers, which again are just gorgeous. This is going to be so much fun. I love this. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. So this kit is going to be a lot of fun to have some creative time with. So if you're looking for just the deco, this is the kit. This is all the pieces that you're going to get in the deco only kit. Now, if you're looking for the full kit, which comes with the extra goodie bag, let's go ahead and pop this open. I promise you are not going to be disappointed. Let me put that off to the side. All right, first of all, we're getting our adorable little sticky note. And this says, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. So that is that quote again. Look at that flower though. Oh, that's so pretty. So sticky notes. We also have a magnetic clip, which everybody's gonna want this. So I'm just saying, I feel like this one might sell pretty fast. Look how pretty that clip is. It is so pretty. And it will match anything. So I don't care what kind of cover you have. I mix and match my magnetic clips with everything. I'm super excited about that. And then of course we have this gorgeous washi. Let me pop this open real quick because I feel like you are definitely going to need to see how beautiful this washi tape is. Let me just find the end here. Here we go. Ready? This is going to be so pretty. So worth it. So worth it. All right, let me rip that little nasty little edge off there. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, the washi is my favorite. I'm loving that washi so much. Okay, so that is the full kit. So you've got the extra washi tape, the magnetic clip, and the sticky note, along with all of the deco kit. So let's go ahead and just kind of push this together and aside for a moment, so I can show you the rest of the goodies that are going to be available tomorrow. Whoops. All right, so then we've got our exclusive insert, which is a new address book. It has gotten a slight little makeover, so it's got a very pretty little font and flowers on the front here, and then also the pretty font and flowers on the inside here. This insert is available in medium, large, and extra large. And I'm loving this because you guys know how I feel about address books. They come in handy when you need them. You don't need them all the time anymore, but they definitely come in handy when you need them. So if you have not set up your address book yet, highly recommend getting this. This would also make a really, really pretty gift for somebody that is just starting their home, somebody that's getting married. Trust me, the young people don't know they're going to need this, but they will need this. So that is our exclusive address book. And then, of course, when you buy the kit and the address book, you will get our vinyl decal for free. So, so pretty. All right, and then we have a few more little goodies. Let me open this up real quick. Got a couple of things here I want to share with you. Now, so far, all of this is available for everyone. We have a new teeny cover. Wait till you see this, friends. It's just cuteness overload, so be prepared. How pretty is that? Look at those daisies on there. Pink and white with just a little bit of green. And then, of course, we've got that beautiful light teal background. And then it's all white on the inside. So we have a teeny that will be available tomorrow. We also have a new charm that will be available. Let me just cut this open. And if you're a flower person, you are definitely going to want this charm. It is a beautiful pink daisy, double-sided. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to have a new charm tomorrow. Of course, we're also going to have our wallboard sticker sheets, which is going to make a beautiful calendar either on your wallboard or in a journal, or you can use them in your planner. And then also the new journal sticker sheet. I can't wait to create with this. I am so excited about this one. It's just so pretty. I love this washi because it's the same as the papers. And then, of course, we have all of the beautiful watercolor flowers. And then I love the pink behind the cursive here for the days of the week. So that's our journal sticker. And then last but not least, all of our Perks members know what is coming up for them. Let me just scoot this out of the way. If you are one of our Planning with Perks members, you can also pick up the new floral DIY card kit. I am going to open this up because you're going to need to see this. It is that beautiful. So if you are new and have never seen our card kits before, let me explain them a little bit. They come with everything you need to make 9 cards. So it's going to come with your envelopes. It's going to come with your cards already folded and ready to go. It's going to come with a sentiment sticker sheet. And there's always different ones on here, which I love now. And these are also our little envelope seals that you can use. Then it's going to come with 9 pieces of double-sided paper, and there's 3 different designs. So this is the first side. And then this is the second side. Let me just fan this out. How pretty are these? They're so pretty. Gorgeous. This is going to be such a fun kit to make. And then, of course, you've got 3 more. Then you also get this little bag of embellishments. So let me pop this open real quick. This is going to have some different die cuts in it than what is in the regular kit. It's also going to have our buttons, bling, and bows, as I like to call them. We've got some white little cardstock here, although you really don't need them because this is on white paper. But look how pretty these die cuts are. So you're going to get 3 of each one of these. So there's 3 of that one. And we have this one. There we go. So pretty. And then we have, last but not least, we have this. Oh no, I think maybe that's the same. No, it's not. It's different. Sorry, different one. I love that the die cuts in the kit are slightly bigger for the cards because they're just going to make them absolutely beautiful to make. So we also have our DIY card kit for all of our Perks members. If you are not a Perks member yet and you just went, oh, that is so pretty, I totally get it. Join Perks today, and this is how easy it is to do that. When you join Perks, you are going to spend $39.95, and you are going to get your first instant perk, which is what you see here, which is the journal sticker sheet, and a stencil. Free shipping as long as that's all you put on that order. It takes about 24 hours for your account to update, so if you order it today, you'll be ready to order the new June Cop Kit and that DIY kit that's only for Perks members. Here are some advantages when you join Perks. It's an instant perk, which I just shared with you. Monthly perks like free product. When you spend $50 in one order during the month, you get something free. And then our special perks, which is this DIY card kit. So we've always got something going on every single month. And I would love to welcome you to our Planning with Perks program. Here is one quick double overview of our new Cop Kit this month, which I am super excited about because it really is absolutely gorgeous. So of course it comes with all the things that I went through and I showed you, and I hope that you are going to love it because it is absolutely gorgeous. All right, friends, so this is all of our new launch, which will be tomorrow, Friday, May 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I am super excited because this is going to be so much fun to create with. Thank you all so much for watching our unboxing today. If you do have any questions, please let me know. If you have not already liked and subscribed, of course, I would love if you do so. And please feel free to share this out to somebody who may enjoy it. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody.